Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to select the delivery zone for skip the dishes. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Skip the Dishes application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. If you did not open it guys, go ahead and download it and open up the application. And then for opening it up guys, you want to go ahead and create an account if you do not already have one. So guys, after going ahead and logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which you can see is the main page of Skip the Dishes, where you have your menu, you can see the restaurants, you can search, you can see orders, rewards, and so on. So guys, the first thing you want to do is to either go ahead and sign up to be a delivery driver on Skip the Dishes. So after signing up to be a delivery driver and becoming a delivery driver, your menu is going to look different. So guys, now what you want to do after signing up to be a delivery driver is to go ahead at the top of the page and click the address that you currently see. Here, this will open up this new menu where you can go ahead and select the new location or the new zone that you want to edit. So if you're a delivery driver, you will be able to select multiple zones by clicking add new address, and then you will be able to go ahead and select where you want to go ahead and locate your addresses. So guys, go ahead just and click confirm address, and after that it will be added right here into the application and you'll be able to work with that address. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.